Hello there, YouTube. I have a box from Amazon, and I'm excited to open it because I know what's in here. So I'm going to open it on camera. I already stabbed it, so we'll get to the opening part of it. Ooh, lots of stuff. Ha! Okay, that was fun. About something. It comes in this container. And it has robots on it. Excited. Look it. Ah. They're footy pajamas with Rubik's cubes on them. Like, this is a thing that exists in the world, and now I own them. And it's just so good. Oh, it's backwards. Ugh. I can't fix that. It says, now you can take your favorite toy to bed with you. Rubik's Cube. And here is the classic inappropriate uses of footy pajamas card. I will complete all of these. That's my life goal. It's on the bucket list. Ah! I'm gonna put them on. Yay. I have Rubik's Cube footy pajamas. I'm pretty sure that my life is complete. I'm gonna get back to studying AP US History flashcards, but I think it's gonna be a lot better experience because I'm wearing these. Yay.